What real values of x make the square root of x over 2x minus 1 meaningful? First, let's take a step back and think, what does meaningful mean in this context? Well, it means that when we substitute that value in for x, we get an output from this expression. If you know about domain and range of functions, it's like the domain of this if we're treating this as a function. So for example, if the denominator is 0, then this is infinite. There is no real output to this expression. So to make it meaningful, the denominator cannot equal 0. The way that we can find that value is by saying, well, let's let the denominator equal 0 in the knowledge that it can't. So one of the values that does not make this meaningful would be when x is equal to 1/2. So any value that does not equal 1/2 will make this meaningful. But that's not all, because the square root of x is also on the numerator of this fraction. And if this is negative, then we can't take the square root of that. So any negative value of x will also not make this equation meaningful. So that means that x also has to be greater than 0. So when we're talking about what real values of x make this expression meaningful, well, x cannot equal 1/2 because the denominator can't equal 0. Also, x can't be negative. X has to be greater than or equal to 0. Let me know if you like this concept of meaningfulness in maths in the comments. And if you do, I'll make some more content like this.